Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Tone wallet password. First of all, launch the ToneKeeper application on your device. Now, click on the settings button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, navigate to Security tab, where you manage your security preferences. Tap on the Change Password option. You will be prompted to enter your current password for verification purpose. After verifying your current password, enter a new, strong password. Make sure it's secured, including different numbers. Now, you need to re-enter your new password. You can also enable your Face ID here. Or you can also skip this process by clicking on Later button at the top right corner of your screen. Once confirmed, your Tone wallet password will be updated and you will use this new password for future logins and transactions. Make sure to store your new password securely, as it's crucial for accessing your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.